Okay, good evening everybody. Let's do a little bit of technical analysis on some stocks that have been looking interesting here. Here's Onct. If you guys remember, I gave this one around 4 to 450. It has doubled since I gave it. On Friday, it kind of popped, and this is a weekly chart, right? So I always look for weekly charts to find opportunities which are going to be like swing trades. So I'm not in this stock. I just want to present this to you so you guys can have something else if you guys want to do some trading or do some investing. Before I begin, same disclaimers. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research regarding all this stuff here. This is meant for educational purposes only, nothing else. I'll present the stocks and the rest is up to you. So this company, everybody knows the story. They raised they did a bought deal at 450 worth 200 million. They have that much money in cash. The market cap for this thing is only 440, so half the market value is just cash. Plus they have a drug they've submitted to the FDA for fast track approval. A similar company got taken over by Merck a few months ago for 2.5 billion. So I mean, who knows? If they get the approval and somebody takes them over, this thing could be $1.5 billion, 2 billion, right? Who knows, right? All I know is they did a bought deal, and usually bought deals usually mean something, right? So anyway, from looking at the chart here, it has just broken out here. If you can see here, this is the point. The 865 was the last high, and we broke above it. We closed at 9. Next resistance is around 980, and then I think this thing can run to $18 very quickly. Like I said, this is a biotech, so you have to be careful with biotechs. These things can drop like 50% like in one day. So this if you want to play with risk money, this is something that you may want to look at, right? If it continues to go higher, you see the red line here. I mean, it could get to 34 very quickly. So this is how biotechs move. If the news is positive, it could go as high as 34.90, and then we can see at 34.90, you would say it's 4 times the market cap, so 4 times 4, about 1.6 billion, 1.8 billion. Yeah, so that would make sense if they get the approval from the FDA, right? So there's a big if here. Another stock I want to talk about, Clvs Oncology. I used to own this a long time ago in the 50s. I traded it quite a bit, and now as of Friday it had a nice candle. Look at the volume here. I mean, this is unbelievable volume here. Market cap is only on 825 million. 349 million has traded last week. If you look at a daily chart, the volume on Friday itself was that much, 300 something million, right? So like I said, I usually look at the weekly chart here. So the weekly here looks constructive. It could pull back a little bit here. Who knows, right? I guess your worst case would be $5. Your best case could be short-term 11, as high as 17. And if it continues to go higher, I have no idea what the company is doing. I'm just looking at the chart and what I think I see possible. Yes, 17 possible, 32 is possible. It's a biotech, heavy volume, so something is going on here, right? So yeah, these are 2 biotech stocks you may want to look at. I may trade them tomorrow, I may not. Right? For me, it's just tomorrow for now. I mean, I can present a lot of stocks to you guys that can double and triple, but I like to stay with what I'm familiar with here and trade it. Look at the chart on Mara here on the weekly. It's just a beautiful chart here. Look at that, nice uptrend here. Even with the Nasdaq dropping here, not a big issue here. Let's take a look at the Riot. Same thing, same kind of strength here, right? And Bitcoin is actually looking good too, right? So yeah, that's it. That's a little technical analysis, a little something for you guys to watch tonight. Some other stocks, I'm going to talk about them after this here, okay? I'm just going to show you strength in the market while this correction is happening. So when the market comes back up, the stocks I'm going to be talking about in the next video probably are going to be the leaders, okay? All right, Jazakallah khair.